And a family of 3 had a miraculous escape when a thunderbolt hit their home at Pistill on the Llŷn Peninsula during yesterday's storms. The lightning entered the house through a chimney and exploded, destroying the roof and the whole interior of Tŷ Gwyn.
All of us were in the house at the time and not a single one of us was hurt.
There must have been an explosion there then.
It was. It's the only way to describe it. It was a tremendous explosion. It was unbelievable. I wouldn't wish that on anybody. It was horrific.
And now you lost your home and your belongings?
Everything. There's nothing in there salvageable.
And a family of 5, which included 3 children, lost all their personal belongings when their remote farmhouse home, again on the Llŷn Peninsula, was gutted by fire. The blaze at Bryn Eithin near Aberdaron is thought to have been caused by an electrical fault due to yesterday's torrential rain. And at Tremadog, which bore the brunt of yesterday's storms, residents continued with clearing the debris caused by the floods. Local MP David Wigley, who visited the scene today, called on the Welsh office to assist local authorities that face such emergencies.